Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert. So let's get started with the question I have today, and the question is, please help with Google Ad Group organization. So you're looking for help with the ad group organization on Google Ads. Can I do this? What will Google decrease my traffic because if I'm using negative keywords to funnel traffic to specific ad groups? Will they direct traffic to the proper ad groups? Will I get penalized with less traffic by not putting them into a single ad group and using responsive ad headlines? Okay, so you have made three groups. With the group one is red shoes, your keyword is red shoes, and your negative are blue and cheap. Headline is red shoes. Second is blue shoes, keyword is blue shoes, and the negative is red. Third is cheap red shoes, and keyword is shoes, and negative is blue. Ad headline cheap red shoes. Okay, so there are few things which I'm gonna suggest you along answering your question. Okay, Google doesn't decrease your traffic if you are using negative keywords. Rather, negative keywords are being used to sort out your traffic because you are looking for specific intent of your audience. You can easily define with it. Will they get traffic to the proper ad group? Yes, they will get. Now, will I get penalized with less traffic by not putting them into a single ad group and using responsive ad headlines? Now, here is the main part. I recommend you to have a good campaign structure. Even I can show you a good one. Just a second, let me show you a good one. Okay, now I am on the Google and I'm going to show you from what stream. Okay, the perfect one. Okay, if you ask me the which one is the perfect one, okay, you can see over here that WordStream has defined it very good. Account, campaign, ad group, keywords, ad A, ad B, landing page 1A, landing page 1B. Okay, that is a very perfect formula of your good campaign and good ad groups. So you need to put them in good ad groups, and this will help you in more organization of your account. And the more organized and more structured your ad is, the chances of your quality score will improve with more personalized ads, and you will have a lower CPC as compared to your competitors. Now I think that there are certain things which you are missing out. Now someone is searching for red shoes, you have added blue and cheap. What about yellow, orange, other colors? Okay, now with the third one is like you are adding shoes. Okay, the main question over here, okay, is that you have added shoes and now you have put negative keyword blue and you are showing cheap red shoes over here. What about yellow, black? People, don't people search for black shoes? Don't people search for white shoes? So how have you decided this keyword? So I do not think that this is the right keyword intent, but rather in case if you're looking for, you can have an exact match of a cheap red shoes. Okay, you can have this one as well. And but still, in case if you are concerned regarding negative keywords, then you can add other colors as your negative keywords over here. Again, in a blue shoes as well, although it's not required, but simple, rather adding simple color, I think all colors except blue should be added in the negative, and in the red except red, every color should be added in the negative. You can add cheap as well as per your convenience. Ad should be more personalized, customized with extensions, more with a blue word, red word, ad structure. The more personalized your ad will be, the better you can earn, better you can grab the attention of your audience, and that is how you can get more clicks and eventually more earnings for you. So I hope this answers your question regarding Google ad group organization. In case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. In case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads management, or access services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description and get started with my team. We will love to work with you. And in case lastly, I request you guys to make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.